Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio in the gallery / studio with some palette knives and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And I tied my bandana with my hair in it and it hurts. Excuse me for a moment. Alright, so I've got some Meeden white paint, which could be Artist Loft or any kind of white paint. I'm going to try and give myself a quick layer and then maybe add a puddle. We'll see what happens. But I have some new cell activator, or potentially new, or potentially cell activator. I got some boom gel. I could probably hook you up with a link if I tried hard. One of the other color art affiliates has the link. I may also decide to go ahead and use some of the Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam Black. I might do a comparison somewhat, but right now I just have a little bit of time before dinner, so I want to play. I'm not liking those bubbles. Or that thing I see in there that has to come out right now. But I don't suppose it matters if there's a little black paint on the end of my tweezers. It just matters that that thing wants to come out. I got it this time. Good. Good for me. Alright. So who knows what's going to happen? Complete experiment. I ought to just take the top off this. Barring the wrestling match I could have with that, I think I'm just going to give myself a puddle. Must be time to make some new paint. That's a rather large puddle. But it's looking fairly thick, so that might be a good thing. I'll just tip that around a little bit. And see if we can grab the largest things that we see. Evidently, it's definitely time to clean out that bottle, is what I'm saying. So let's just load a palette knife with some boom gel. It was open a second ago. It's still open. It's the first time. I have never tried this before. And I think I'm going to add some of my... No, I'm not going to add anything yet. I'm just going to see how it goes for right now. And if it doesn't go, we'll do something else. So I've got some orange cell activator. I've also got a straw. I want to blow into that and see what happens. So that's interesting, I guess. Let's try the Australian Floetrol, which maybe I should have added some to the boom gel to see if that was going to work. And I still want to do a combination. I like black and white. I just did a black and white. I think I just did a black and white and gold, honestly. So I'm going to lay down some boom gel, because I can, sort of thing, and then hit it with my golden iridescent and Aussie Floetrol, because I can. And just keep playing with things. Because I can. And I like palette knives. I've developed a rather strong affection for palette knives. So let's try the purple cell activator. Since I'm getting some effect over here, but not a lot. Could be the Meeden paint. It doesn't really matter as long as I'm having fun as far as I'm concerned right at the moment. And I am. Just having fun. I think some orange is definitely coming. I'm going to scrape off my blade again though. And use some of my orange. I should double load this. Which what I'm talking about is adding the cell activator and then another color on top of it. But right now I've got enough to play with right in front of me. This is another cell activator. This is a cerulean blue. Let's get rid of the residuals. I'm going to use a little bit of white cell activator. Gosh knows why. Along with the cerulean blue, which could have been another paint color. Where's this going to go? Alright, since I'm just playing, I'm just going to keep playing. Some more gold cell activator. I could add paint anytime I want. Oh, I like the gold and the cerulean blue together a lot. Enough to do it again. Let's do that. Whoops. I like the stripes in the center. I'm contemplating the magenta cell activator, but I'm not sure that it's a right color. I'm not sure it's a wrong color either. I am sure that you need a better layer of paint underneath than the one I've left myself. And I'm wondering if I have a little toothy... No, I have a little tool. I have a little acetate tool. I'm not unhappy with that. These are just unconventional things. This is my leftover, or in some cases my experimental cell activator. That's not open. I know this is magenta, but I think there must be some white in there also. I'm going to try the boom gel on top of that, just because I can. I may pull out a prism pour. Just trying to decide which color it'll be. I'm kind of being called to the blue velvet. As long as it'll open, we're golden. And I'm going to scrape off. Where am I going to scrape that off? Right there. Here's my residuals right in the corner. loving those stripes. I've wanted to do some stripes, some weird stripes for a while. So I'm trying to think about what goes up here. I'm thinking just the blue. But the cerulean blue is calling me. Hardcore. The Prism Pour cerulean blue. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Now I can hear the purple. Circles are great as long as they don't remind you of the ring left behind on the coffee table from somebody's beer. And that's what that's doing for me. I think that'll work. Got frozen too. No, I want the pink. Pink diamond. Just fun. Just having fun playing. Nothing serious going on here at all. I will put the tool video where I made these acetate tools under the video. Sorry about my head. Sometimes you just got to do really whacked out stuff if you're an artist to break out of your comfort zone. And this is me doing that. And why not? I'm thinking black raspberry. If I can get it open. I didn't come in here thinking I was going to do this. I came into my studio thinking I was going to prime some canvases. And instead I wound up making some videos. Going to use the cell activator again. I think I'm almost done playing. I love that it's so easy to make curves with my little acetate tools. The oval ones, definitely. Yep, I just had to. Art therapy for Priscilla. I'm quiet because I'm focused and because I'm having a really good time. I kind of want some purple. But the question is where? It's an odd piece, for sure. That leaves me with a feeling like I should do something over here, but maybe I'll have residuals. Yep, just enough. Just enough subtle color. I'm feeling the black calling me. the Boom Gel Black. Just because I haven't used it. Well, that was me disposing of 17 minutes, playfully doing nothing anybody does, except for me, evidently. Get rid of one bubble there. There, I have definitely, that was therapeutic and fun. I'm loving these curved lines. I think you can tell. Alright, so if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for your kind words and all the love. I really appreciate that. And still a little bit of paint right there. Maybe a little more paint right there. Kind of want a little bit more orange. Oops, that was way more than I anticipated. But you know what? I like it. So we're all good with that. Cool. Thanks for coming. I post at noon. I'm thinking about posting at 3 p.m. both Eastern Standard Time. Check my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. We'll show you what I'm posting to Fine Art America, Pixels.com, The Gallerist sometimes, Society 6 sometimes, all the links that are also in the link tree. So if you're looking for something interesting, you should find it. This is kind of bugging me here. I want to steal some black and see how it looks in there. Yeah, a little more point of interest. Maybe I'll steal some gold and put it in here the same way. Just a little repetition, just to be a mystery to the eye. Oh, I'm liking what the skewer is doing. That's the fat end. Alright, I hope you guys come again. I love you much. Appreciate you being here. I am offering a 15-minute free consultation to anyone who decides that they would like to help me continue producing videos. My PayPal icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, should you happen to be looking for that. If you're looking for a playlist or a link, please ask me. I have over 2,400 videos, and I'm happy to help. I'm having too much fun with the black. Cool. Alright. Well, I will zoom in if I have a moment, and if I don't, I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going. There aren't any cells, but it's kind of a cool piece of art. I'll see you later. Bye for now. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree. Underneath the show more, you'll find the paint pouring recipes. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for being here. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.